It's MC Monty in the place to be. Welcome to the adventures of MC Monty. This month's theme, Wonder Woman. Yeah. My partner and I attended Superman Celebration this year, and we really had a great time. And in preparation for Superman Celebration, I was building this Wonder Woman cosplay for Dana to wear. We entered the cosplay competition, and guess what? We won first place. We won 2 cash prizes, and it was very exciting. So I'm excited to share this award-winning cosplay build that we're working on. As usual, everything you need is listed in the description below. Gather your supplies and let's get to it. This is the bottom of the belt. This is the base. I extended it to be long so it can wrap around Dana's waist / hips. So cut out the base pattern and then extend it. This is pattern 2B. Same thing, trace it, cut it out. This is 2A, trace it and cut it out. And this is a detail piece, pattern 3, trace it and cut it out. I'm using my heat gun to prep the EVA foam, then using contact cement and gluing all the pieces into place. Piece 1 glues down first. I'm using that piece of paper so it doesn't stick before I'm ready for it to stick. Then I glue down piece 2 onto the base. And then this small V is piece 3. I'm tracing where it needs to go and applying contact cement. And when it gets tacky, I'm gluing piece 3 into position. And the belt is complete. We're going to do the same process for the eagle logo design on the top of the corset. Cut out the base piece, which is number 1, piece number 2, the skinnier piece number 3, and the small V is piece number 4. Trace where you need everything to go using the guidelines to put your contact cement in place. And when it gets tacky, glue everything into position. I'm gluing piece 2 into position first, followed by the skinny piece that lays on top of that, piece 3. I'm going to trace and add contact cement to the top of piece 2. And when it gets tacky, now I can glue piece 3 down on top. And then finish by gluing the small V, piece 4, into position. And the eagle and the belt are now done. Time to make the corset. I created a pattern for the corset and I traced it and cut it out. This is half the pattern, so you flip it and you trace it, connect it so it's one piece. Here's the pattern for the back. You're going to cut out right side and flip it over and cut out the left side. Here's the pattern for the bust. So I did the same thing as I did for the front. I traced one side and I flipped it and I cut it out so it's all one piece. Again, I'm using contact cement to glue the bust together. So I'm going to glue the 2 pieces together and then reinforce the back of the seam with 2mm EVA foam. Next, I'm prepping to glue this entire piece onto the rest of the corset armor. I'm just overlapping it slightly. You can line it up perfectly or you can overlap. I wanted to overlap. Now I'm prepping the front half of the corset with EVA foam so that I can lay all the armor pieces on top of this. So I cut out all of my armor pieces. I'm laying piece 1, 2, and 3, or piece A, B, and C into position first. And I'm trying to make sure I find the center and get everything started properly, because all the other pieces are going to be put down from the center, moving left and right. So I'm just carefully taking my time to make sure I have these first few pieces in position. So I have A in place, B1 and B2, C, D, and E. Next, I'm going to put piece F in place. Next, I'm going to put piece G into place. Next is piece H. This is piece I. Piece J. Piece K. And piece L goes like this. And piece M goes like this. Now the front is complete. Now I'm prepping the sides / back of the corset. I'm reinforcing the back. I'm gonna punch holes in the EVA foam so that we can use string to tie Dana into the corset. So it'll be adjustable using strings. So I'm marking where I want to put the holes, and then I'm gonna punch holes. I start by putting on piece X, and then I put on piece V. Next is piece U. Then I put on piece T. Then piece S. As you can see, I'm working backwards in the alphabet. Next is piece R. Next, I'm putting on piece Q. I'm not going to use piece P. I ended up not using piece P, and I'm going to put on next piece O. And then finish with piece N. I have extra, so I'm going to cut it off.
Are you going to put the two sides together?
Like this. So the pieces are now on the back.
Oh.
So the whole picture
oh wow,
is
that's
complete.
cool.
Now, and once again, I use EVA foam to glue all the pieces of the corset together. Now I'm tracing where the belt will lay. Yeah, you poured a lot of black. So now we're painting onto the painting process. Dana is painting black in between the armor pieces. The base should look black in there. So black goes between those slots.
And I'm Diana.
Where'd you find her? She found me.
Time to glue on the belt and the eagle design at the top. So I'm using contact cement and putting contact cement on the places where I traced the belt outline and the eagle design outline. And when the contact cement gets tacky, I'm going to glue everything into place. Now I'm getting the eagle in position. And if you have a mannequin or body form to do this on, it works better. Now I'm gluing the belt into position. Wonder Woman corset done. Boom. And there you have it. Your Wonder Woman cosplay is complete. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it helped a lot of you make these parts of your Wonder Woman cosplay. If you like this video, make sure you give me that thumbs up. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that bell so you get notified anytime I post a new video or tutorial. If you want to stay in touch, remember to hit me up on social media. Here are my links. And also, I would love for you to be my Patreon. So please hit up my Patreon and subscribe there as well. Always remember, adventure awaits. So get out into the world and explore. And I'll see you next time. Peace.